National Weather Service in Newport has issued a special marine warning for News and Bay Rivers until 5:45 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over the vicinity of Slocum Creek, or 12 nautical miles west of Oriental, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the vicinity of Slocum Creek, the vicinity of Hancock Creek, the vicinity of Clubfoot Creek, Oriental, midpoint of Cherry Branch Moonshot Beach Ferry Terminal, the mouth of the News River, the vicinity of Adams Creek, and the vicinity of South River. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
You have a right to